Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let's look at problem 38-34, merge adjacent equal elements. In this video, we are going to address this problem using stack data structure. So here the problem statements are rather straightforward. So basically we need to repeatedly apply a merge operation. So a merge operation is the following. If two elements, adjacent elements are equal, then we replace them with their sum, right? So we want to return the final array after all possible merge operations. So here I'm going to walk you through example 1. So this you have 3, 1, 1, 2, right? So here you can initialize a stack, and each time you look at 3, then you check if the top element in the stack is the same as the 3. If it is, so we are going to pop it and add to this 3 to mimic the merge operation. And then we continue compare, right? So because the current stack is empty, so we are going to add this 3 here, right? Then we look at 1. So 1 and the top element in the stack are different, so we add it again. So then we look at the second one. Now the 1 is the same as the top element, so we are going to pop it and add to here. Then we compare again if 2 as the top element in the stack is the same. They're different, right? So we are going to add this 2 here. So now let's look at the last 2. So the last 2 is the same as the top element in the stack. Then we're going to pop this guy, add 2 here, and then we compare again with the top element in the stack. So they are different, so we add 4 here, so we get 3 and 4. So this is our return. So basically, this repeatedly apply give us a hint that we are going to use a while loop. So now let's look at the coding. So first, I'm going to initialize a stack to hold the final result. Then we are going to do a for loop for y in nums. Then the current element we are going to look at is y, right? So next, we are going to translate this paragraph into the code, the while loop. While stack, right? If the stack is not empty, we can check the top element in the stack. If the top element equals the current value, then what we are going to do? We are going to do current, update the current, and also stack pop. In other words, we first pop the element. So the popped result is added to the current. So this is actually the same as pop the element and then make the current twice doubled, right? Because the popped element is the same as the current. But writing like this is very compact. So this is just 2 lines of code. Actually, this mimics all those parts, right? So now if we exit this while loop, there are 2 scenarios. One is stack is empty, and the other is the top element and the current value of current are not equal. So in this case, we should put the current value to the stack top. Then we are going to return the stack status. So that's the full code. So you can do a quick run. It passes all the cases. Now let's look at the generic case. It passes all the cases. So here I can also give you a walkthrough of example 2. So you have 2, 2, 4, right? So you have a stack. First you are going to look at 2, but in this case the stack is empty, so I add this 2 here. Then we look at the second 2. So this 2 and the 2 is the same, so pop it, add here, and then we compare again if the 4 and the top element in the stack is the same. But in this case, the stack is already empty, so we add this 4 here. Then we look at the last 4 in the list. So the 4 and the top element in the stack are the same, so we pop it, add here, and then we compare again if it and the top element in the stack is the same, but the stack is already empty, so I add it here. So this will be our final result. So exercise 3, so it's very special because all the elements are unique, so we just need to return the original nums. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.